Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to customize your fonts in your Shopify store. Now this tutorial is a bit confusing, it's a bit tricky, so make sure you're thoroughly following the video. But trust me, if you follow the video right, this is gonna be a piece of cake. Now the first thing that you wanna do is find the font that you wanna use. So I'm gonna be using the webpage thefont.com and I'm just gonna search for a random font. Let's choose this one right here because I like it. What you want to do is open up this zip file that you downloaded and then extract this file right here on your desktop. You can extract it anywhere you want, but I find it more simple to extract it to your desktop. You want this file to be in the file format WOF2 or just WOF, but for me it's .ttf. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the format. So let's go ttf to WOF2 like this. I'm just gonna open up a random converter. Let's drag this right here and let's click convert. Once it's finished with that, you can download it. The next thing that you want to do is head over to your content right here, go to files and then upload files. And then you're gonna upload the font file right here. And once you copied it, go to your online store. You can choose any theme you want. I'm gonna be using Crave because I like this theme. Click the three dots right here and then go to edit code. Open up the layout folder and go to theme.liquid. From here, what you wanna do is now once you've done this, all you need to do is scroll a bit down until you see this piece of code right here that says style right here. So just leave a little bit of space right here. Now what you want is to end up with something like this. This is where the name of the font goes. This is where the URL of the font goes. This is the format. The next thing that you want to do is go to search files and type in CSS and then find the main CSS folder. Now this can be either base.css, global.css or theme.css. So for me it's base CSS, so I'm gonna open this. And then what you want to do is click on a code and then press Ctrl and F. Type in the find section right here, type in font family, like I wrote it right here, and then search next. So from here, every single time you see font family, what you want to do is select this code, this line of code right here, and then replace it with the name of your font. Now this is a bit of a tedious process, but I'm sure it's nothing that hard. And now once we're done with that, all we need to do is head over to the preview store. And there you go. The font is working, although it's a bit uglier than I expected, so I'm gonna need to change this. But so yeah, that's how to customize your font in your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.